I would like to say there's no rules. It's such like a free spirit environment.
I think, the whole free spirit vibe, really embrace that and just be friends with everyone you can. And the whole vibe of it leading up to it's such a positive environment and really just embracing that and sharing your beer and
Never close your tent. Never
sometimes
close
you
your
gotta
tent.
close your tent, Sliv was obviously a lot more public with.
No, I'm just saying, you use the etiquette, give people beer, don't close the tent, you close yourself off. Friendly environment.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a lot less private than I am.
Open flap policy.
Exactly. Oh, there you go, open flap. The Firefly flap.
Yeah, there you go.
What's up? I'm Justin Bright,
My name is Slavo.
and we are Fly
Bye.
Midnight
You can catch us at the Porch Stage, 12:45 p.m.
on Sunday, Firefly Festival. See you there.